Welcome back to Nana Hobby channel. Today with this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful neck warmer in no time. It's very easy and then it's very fast to do it. So for this tutorial you need a yarn, and then I'm using the Impeccable from Loop and Thread. The color is let me see, Iron Tweed. It's 100% acrylic, number 4. They suggest to use a 5mm hook, but I'm using 5.5mm hook. Then also you need a pin, a yarn needle, scissor, and a hook, 5mm hook. That's all you need. And then if you're ready, let's go start this project. It's very easy. It's a 1, 2, 3, and you have a nice gift, last minute nice gift. Okay, so keep watching, and then I'll see you in a little bit. We start to make the slip knot, and we're gonna do a 65 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and make a 65 chain. At the end of the 65 chain, add the 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, and the in the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and the 4, you're gonna put double crochet. Just in the first chain, don't pick up both chain here, just one, because we're gonna work in this side later. So do all double crochet in the each chain available, and then I meet you at the end. I'm almost at the end here. And then this is gonna be my last chain here. We're gonna put 4 double crochet in the last chain. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now yarn over, and we're gonna work in the double crochet from the previous, in the bottom. See here, we're gonna work like a mirror. So we're gonna start from here. No, here we put the full double crochet here. So we're gonna start, this is gonna be the first one, and then we're gonna work the same way. Double crochet in each stitch available in the top of the, the double crochet. So continue like that, and then I meet you at the end. I have 2 more double crochet to do it. 1, and here is gonna be the last one, and then I'm gonna put 4 double crochet here at the end. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna close the slip with slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the previous row. And we are like that. Turn your work, and then we're gonna slip stitch here in the first double crochet here. so we're gonna be in the middle to this chain. Now put your hook inside here. We're gonna have the yarn in the back, and we are here. So here in the middle, put inside, grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through too, and then we have a like slip stitch. And then the next one, slip stitch. And then you find very easy to do because we have a hole from the double crochet here, we have a space here, so between one double crochet and another one we have a space, see here. So put your hook here, grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through, and we're gonna make a slip stitch again. Grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through, and then we're gonna have like this decoration in the middle. So I'll show you again one more time. So this is the space, okay? Put here, pull through, and pull through. Another one, like that, and like that. Continue to do like that to the end here, and then I'll meet you there. I am in the hand here, so the only thing that you have to do here, go in the top, like you close with slip stitch, and then another one, and then cut your yarn, and then you have it done. Now for this project you need make 4 of this. So if you're gonna use my kind of type of yarn, I'm gonna tell you in centimeter. So if you use another kind of yarn, at least you have the measurement. So mine is 52 centimeter. So keep in mind, if you're gonna use another kind of yarn, there you have to reach the length 52 centimeter. So make a U4. You need 4, the same thing like this one, and then I'll see you later, and then I'll show you how to assemble this neck warmer. Go ahead, do your work. See you later. Now when you have all 4 like that, we're gonna put together. We're gonna put some pin here and some pin here from this side, where is the little braid here. Like that. And then over there, with the yarn we're gonna attach together. So we're gonna do a slip knot, and then we're gonna start from here in the angle here from the last double crochet, and this side too, and we're gonna attach it together with a slip stitch. And then the next one from this side to the other side, like that. Then one in the middle here, in the middle the other side, and we do a single crochet. Then here in the next one, here and here, and the last one here, here and here, just like that. Now we're gonna take this one and we're gonna put together like that. So remove your pin, and then you go here at the end of the double crochet, same thing here, a single crochet, another single crochet here and in the back, in the middle, and the last one. Like that. Then we're going to do chain 1, turn your work. In the same stitch here, we're going to do single crochet, chain 2, and then we're going to work double crochet in each stitch from the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 8. And then again, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 2, a double crochet in the next stitch. And the next one, double crochet in the third chain, in the second chain here, and then you continue doing like that for at least another one more row, and then I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay, now what we have to do is make a braid. So in the middle one, I have to go, this one I have to go in the middle, and this one in the bottom, they have to be like that. And then we're gonna take this one in your left, over in the first one, the second one, and under, and over, and then bring it back the same position like that. Once in a while to give a tight to make a nice, and then again over, under, under, and then you have to adjust. Maybe you're gonna be better than me to do this braid, but we try together. Okay, then again over, under, over, then again under, over, and under, and then again under, over, and under, and we close. Give a nice tap. This is what should look like. And then we're gonna pin again here, one here and one here, and then we're gonna do the same thing that we did here. We make 1, 2, 3 row of double crochet. So do the same here, what we was doing here, and then I'll let you know what you have to do next. Now, if you prefer to keep this braid close, you can always like put some very large and very simple stitch to keep closer here in a random. They don't have to be perfect, like you go here, here, and here, here, so they keep the braid close. Or you can leave it like that, that's fine too. So I put a button here, so when you put it on, they're gonna go straight here. So let's close it. Or you can do another way. So this is just a neck warmer, but if you want to, I have another one here that already made it. When I finish here and we sew together the 4 parts, I keep working. I'm not stop it just right here. I keep working long, like make a scarf in the other side too. So when you put it on, it's gonna be like a neck warmer, but you also have a scarf around. And then I show you in the picture when I'm gonna wear it. And then you can touch a pom-pom or a tassel here, or you put a fringe, whatever you feel like to put it on. So that's all. And then you have it's a very quick to do it, like in a couple hours, even less, an hour and a half. It can be a last minute gift, and it's a very nice. It look good, and then you're gonna see in the picture what it look like. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming. Thank you so much.